Borax ant bait can harm beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs if they come into direct contact with it. Borax works by disrupting insect digestion and is effective because many ants carry bait back to the colony. Use baits placed where ants travel but not on or near open flowers to reduce exposure to pollinators. Create small bait stations by placing bait on a flat surface inside a shallow container with a narrow entry so larger beneficial insects cannot access it. Use bait formulations that are dry or contained rather than sprinkled powders because powders are easy for non-target insects to pick up and carry. If you must apply bait outdoors, monitor it daily and remove any spilled material and replace it when dry to prevent other insects from investigating. When treating near shrubs or ground covers that host ladybugs and lacewings, focus on trails and entry points to structures rather than broad broadcasting. Common mistakes include putting bait directly on flowering plants where bees forage, which lets pollinators pick up toxic particles. Instead, move baits to protected, non-floral sites such as under eaves or along baseboards. A second problem is using loose powder that spreads with wind or watering, exposing a wider range of insects. Switch to contained baits or small sealed vials with tiny holes that let ants enter but keep larger beneficial insects out. People also assume outdoor treatments cannot affect soil-dwelling allies and scatter bait in mulch beds, harming ground beetles and predatory wasps. Limit applications to narrow paths and inspect the area so you only treat where ant activity is concentrated. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby clients. We also host an active discussion community where users share practical tips and real experience about pest control and protecting pollinators so we can learn from one another.